Base coating my Grey Knight in 2 minutes or less. Come with me as we prime and speed paint this proxy Grey Knight. I started with Army Painter Matte Black Primer, then went to white, but I had some black primer left in the airbrush, so I used it as a gray mid-tone. When applying white after gray, just hit where you want the brightest spots to be. I'll be applying a speed paint after, so the undercoat will play a big part in how the speed paint shows highlights and shadows. As most of you know, Grey Knights have a more traditional armor look, so I went with polished silver so as to not cover up the work I just did and let the zenithal do most of the work. And just like that, we have the base coat done for my Grey Knight. Next video, I'll knock out the details.